In this video, I'll show you how to change your Apple ID password even if you forget your current password. It's super easy, but before that, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to change your Apple ID password, open up the settings app from your iPhone or iPad and then go and tap on this Apple ID or the name banner at the very top right. And once you're here inside your Apple ID, you just need to tap on sign in and security. And under this one, here you'll get to see the option called change password. You just need to tap on this one and you just need to enter your iPhone passcode. And once you have entered your iPhone passcode, it's going to directly give you the option to create a new password. So you just need to type in your new password twice here and you just need to tap on continue and your Apple ID password will be changed from here. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. Or if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll see you guys around and thank you very much for watching.